So guys, we already have our background on the screen. Now bring our video to the timeline. Select the video clip, escalate down a little bit, then go to effect and search for corner pin. C-O-R-N-E-R corner pin. Left click, drag and drop over the clip. Now go to effect control, single left click on corner pin. Now as you can see, we have 4 corner pins on each of the corner. Suppose we want to replace this picture with our video. For that, first decrease the opacity so that we can properly place it. Now grab one of the corner and start placing them. If you are having problem, you can zoom in, then place it. After you are satisfied with your work, let's go back to fit, reset the opacity to 100%. Done. Let's see what we have. It's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.